'Twas some day in December at the local game store. All the board games were buzzing about what Christmas was for. "Christmas is simple," said the new party game. "It's about time together and laugh until there's pain." "I could not agree less," said the Great Dragon Race. "It's about the pure joy on a young child's face." Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza was rearing to go. "It's all about parties and family fun in the snow." "It's about being yourself," said Pickles to Penguins, but Keys to the Castle wanted mazes with friends. There was only one person who could disperse this gloom. It was Santa, of course, in an awful costume. "Christmas is so special in so many ways. I'm contractually obliged to say it's my favorite holiday. There's carols and candy, goodwill and good cheer. It's the holliest jolly of the entire year. But it's time with your loved ones that makes this special day. Love, friendship, and laughter, oh yes, and the games. All games are good games with people you love. So Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good, glove? Shoved up. Dang, I've got nothing. That was almost a great exit. Oh well. Merry Christmas to all, take care, and good game."